Hey you guys, how's it going? I was going to do this live, but I decided to just do it as a video. I wanted to show you what I'm making right now. Excuse my pan, but you know, good pans are treated a little bit, right? I've got asparagus in there. I am sauteing that with a little bit of butter and some of this grapeseed oil. That's what I use to fry, because it's one of the healthier oils that fries at a higher temperature than olive oil. You can put olive oil in it also. I'm using some of this garlic salt, and I'm going to be adding some of this teriyaki. You get sick of the same old asparagus recipe, which, you know, everybody's had them boiled, sauteed, whatever. This is a little different. Unfortunately, the only thing I'm missing from my recipe is sesame seeds. So I have this. Let me grab it real quick. And this is called Everything. Okay, let me move it here. Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend. I buy this at Trader Joe's. Let's see here. There we go. And it is basically sesame seed with sea salt, garlic, and onion. Trader Joe's. Very inexpensive. I think like $1.99, $2.49. Let's see. There we go. There's what it's got in it. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to make myself some asparagus right now. I have literally not eaten anything today yet, and it is 10:23. I needed to do a little bit of a fasting today, and that's what I did. So it's a good way to lose some of those extra water weight pounds. So yeah, I've got those going in the butter and the grapeseed oil. I'm going to let those saute a little bit more so they're a little bit more reduced and cooked better. Then I'm going to throw in some of this teriyaki and some of these, this stuff right here. And then a little bit of brown sugar right there. Brown sugar! Anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm going to cook in there once I reduce these a little bit. You guys ought to try this. It's wonderful. Right now, asparagus is in season. I think I paid 99 cents for this, but yeah, comes out wonderful. And all right, I guess that's it for the night. You guys have a wonderful evening and a better tomorrow. Remember, always love before hate. Like, subscribe. Bye, everyone.